And tonight's jackpot prize is 15 million pesos net of the agent's prize commission. Sir, please press that button and let's play Mega Lotto 645. Mega Lotto players, kayo ang unang may tsansang manalo. 45 draw balls numbered 1 to 45 ang nakikita nating hinahalo sa loob ng ating draw machine. And 6 lucky balls ang hintay nating piliin for tonight's official Mega Million combination. The first number is 3. Ingatan po ang mga lotto tickets, huwag pong babasahin or paplansyahin ang mga yan. Tandaan, kailangang mabasa ng validating machine ang detalye ng winning ticket sa pag-claim ng inyong premyo. The second number is 36. Dito sa Mega Lotto, panalo kayo ng 30 pesos sakaling mag-match ang 3 numbers ninyo sa winning combination. And to win, your numbers can come in any order. The third number is 6. 1.1 million pesos naman ang papremyong paghahatian ng mga makakakuha ng 4 out of the 6 Mega Lotto winning numbers. The fourth number is 32. At kung 5 winning numbers ang nasa ticket ninyo, 1.2 million pesos will be equally divided for you. Ang Mega Lotto ay nalalaro every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The fifth number is 16. Very easy lang po maglaro ng Lotto. Magtanong lang ng mechanics sa ating mga friendly Lotto tellers. And the sixth and final number is 45. Muli po ang ating Mega Lotto 645 winning numbers ngayong gabi ay 3, 36, 6, 32, 16, and 45 in any order for the jackpot prize of 15 million pesos net of the agent's prize commission. Grand Millions are ready na para ipamigay ngayong gabi. At dahil walang jackpot winner last Saturday, ang jackpot prize ngayong gabi ay 63,065,055 pesos and 92 centavos net of the agent's prize commission. Once again, sir, please press that button and let's play Grand Lotto 655. Grand Lotto players, i-flex na ang swerte ng mga numbers ninyo. This time, 55 draw balls numbered 1 to 55 ang nasa loob ng draw machine and still, machine lang ang pipili ng 6 winning numbers. The first number is 49. Sa mga jackpot-bearing games ng Lotto, paghahatian equal ang jackpot prize kung dalawa o higit pa ang ating jackpot winners. The second number is 4. Dito naman sa Grand Lotto, 60 pesos ang panalo kapag nag-match ang 3 numbers ninyo sa winning combination. The third number is 25. 1.3 million pesos naman ang paghahatian ng lahat ng nakakuha ng 4 winning numbers sa Grand Lotto at para manalo pwedeng rumble ang mga numero. The fourth number is 55. Sakali namang 5 winning numbers ang nasa ticket ninyo, 1.4 million pesos ang paghahatian na premyo. Reminder to our players to play smart and play responsibly. The fifth number is 18. One more lucky number to complete our Grand Billion combination. Number mo na kaya ang mapili. And the sixth and final number is 42. Recapping tonight's Grand Lotto winning numbers, we have 49, 4, 25, 55, 18, and 42 in any order for the jackpot prize of 63,065,055 pesos and 92 centavos net of the agent's prize commission. Congratulations po sa mga nanalo, but we are not done yet dahil mga digit players naman ang susunod na mag-e-enjoy sa paglalaro.
Pilipinas, simula na ng digit pa premyo. Una nating aalamin ang swerte ng 4 numbers nyo. Dito sa 4D Lotto, hindi bababa sa 10,000 pesos per 10 peso play at pwedeng umabot sa 100,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang pwedeng mapanalunan. Kailangan lang makuha nyo in exact order ang winning combination. May system plays din dito gaya ng Roll 1, Roll 4 at Perm o Rumble. Good luck, 4D Lotto players! At narito na ang ating 4D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 1. The second number is 0. The third number is 0. And the fourth and final number is 8. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's 4D Lotto winning combination is 1, 0, 0, and 8 in exact order. Third batch ng papremyo ng tatlong numero, ready ng mapanalunan. Let's play 3D Lotto! Dito sa 3D Lotto game, ang 3 numbers nyo. 4,500 pesos ang panalo pag nag-match sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito system play. Reminder lang po sa lahat, 18 years old and above lamang ang pwedeng makasali at manalo sa mga Lotto games. There you have it, our 3D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 7. The second number is 8. And the third number is 2. Again, our 3D Lotto winning combination for the 9 p.m. draw is 7, 8, and 2 in exact order. Hindi pa tapos ang papremyo, thousands of prizes from your favorite 2 numbers naman tayo. Let's play the 2D Lotto game. Dito naman sa 2D Lotto, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo pag nag-match ang dos numeros nyo sa winning combination in exact order. At kung nanalo by the Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos ang maiuuwi nyo. Reminder lang sa mga Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. At narito na ang resulta ng ating 2D Lotto draw. For the first number, we have 5. And the second number is 12. Recapping tonight's 2D Lotto winning numbers, we have 5 and 12 in exact order. Congratulations to all the winners.